Hello, in this video we will show how to get and set working directory in R. So we know working directory means the place by default that the program will save or load files from this directory. And in R you can use getwd function to get the current working directory. And you can use setwd function to set a new working directory. So next we show in RStudio, you start RStudio. So you can use getwd. So this is the current working directory. And you can also set the new working directory. For example, to the D, research. So we have set new working directory and now use getwd again. So this is the new working directory. So all the files can be loaded from this working directory. And usually this is the working project, for example. Thanks for watching.